Hello, I'm Melody from WorkfxAI. Today I'm going to show you how to create an Q&A agent that can answer questions based on your own documentations or your own knowledge source. What I'm going to create today is a Q&A agent for our Workfx platform. So let's get started. Now we are on the homepage of the WorkfxAI platform. The first thing we need to do is create a knowledge base and upload your documentation. So let's go to the knowledge tab and click on this. Click create new knowledge. Give the knowledge base a name, and in this case I'll just name it WorkfxAI doc and add a description. Save. And the knowledge base is created. Let's add content to this. Click add files. You can add content through uploading a file or manually input some text here, or you can provide a URL to fetch web content. In this demo, I'll upload this file. There is a great feature which is this enhanced domain mode. So if it is enabled, it builds a graph that maps the relationship between parts of your domain knowledge. So it can help the AI understand the relationship between the domain knowledge and improve the accuracy when it needs to retrieving relevant information. So I'll enable this, save our document. And now the status is created and it will become to training and trained after it is ready to use. Now this document has already been trained. Let's have a look. So my document is short, so it only breaks into one chunk, and below here are the keywords that are extracted from my documentation that is related to this chunk. The next step is create your agent. Let's go to the agent tab here and select create from blank. This time we'll create an instruction driven agent, so we'll select this one and I'll name it Workfx and add a description. There's a couple of things you can configure with the instruction-driven agent. The first thing is the prefix prompt. It is where you tell the agent how it should behave. My prompt is, you are a helpful assistant for the WorkfxAI platform. You are provided with official documentation to help answer questions related to the WorkfxAI platform, and please answer questions based strictly on the documentation and do not make assumptions or fabric answers. And let's scroll down here, and this is where we add our knowledge base. Let's delete this default knowledge base. Click on add. And this one is the knowledge base we just created. Click add, close this. Under the tools section, there is a web search tool that enabled by default. If you want your agent to be able to search the internet for information, you can leave this on. But in this case, I wanted to focus on the documentation that I gave it, so I'll disable this. Now you can draft your agent and start preview to test your agent. So let's ask it a question. What is WorkfxAI? And now you can see this tool pops up, which means it indeed searched your knowledge base for information. And another feature we can use is this user input variables. So it enables users to define a custom variable that we can use. Let me give an example. So I can call this variable maximum word. The input will just be text, so I'll save this. How you can use it is in your prompt, you can say like, please answer the questions in less than this amount of words. And we insert the variable here, the max words. And now it can recognize this variable. Let's drop it again. Up here, you can change model if you want. We have a selection of models to choose from. There's also reasoning models. And if you are happy with the prompt, happy with all the settings, you can draft and publish. Go to Use Agent and it will generate a link for your agent. And let's click to use. It will take to the agent page. And here is a variable we just set. Let's now say, answer your questions under 50 words. Start chat. Ask another question. What is instruction-driven agent? Okay, we are now good to go. Thank you.